Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Mango School, here to dive into yet another intriguing product craze. Partying face today, we're talking about the Silicone Reline Denture Set Star. Now, before you scroll away or think this is just another boring denture review, let me assure you this is going to be a wild ride. Roller coaster, trust me. Alright, so here's the scoop. You might have stumbled across this product on social media, under many names like Furzero, Fivigo, and many other brands for the Silicone Reline Denture Set, maybe even a flashy ad claiming you can achieve the perfect fit for your dentures at home. But, is it really all that good, or is it just another scam? Let's find out together. Collision. First things first, the packaging. It's simple, yet attractive. But don't judge a book by its cover or a denture kit by its box. Inside, you'll find the silicone reline material and some easy-to-follow instructions. Spoiler alert, it isn't rocket science. I mean, I did it, and I barely handled my last IKEA project. Grinning face with sweat. Okay, so I'll admit, I was a bit skeptical. Face with raised eyebrow. The idea of mixing gooey silicone and pouring it into my dentures felt like a science experiment gone wrong. But, with the confidence of 1,000 influencers, I dove in. Look at me, living on the edge. Who knew denture relining could be so entertaining? But, really, it was easier than I expected. Mixing, molding, and voila, my dentures were ready for their funky makeover. Now, let's talk about the most important question: does it work? After following the instructions and letting my denture set cure, I noticed a big difference. The fit was snug, and boy, was I feeling confident. Tooth sparkles. However, dear viewers, the real test came with my first meal. I opted for a classic tacos. Yes, I said tacos. Taco, it's one of life's simplest pleasures, and I wanted to see if these bad boys could withstand the ultimate crunch. The result? Let's just say, my tacos didn't stand a chance against my newfound denture power. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. I read some reviews online that claimed the product didn't last long, that some users experienced slippage after a few meals. Grimacing face asterisk. Wait, what? Asterisk. It all started to feel a bit suspicious, and I knew my duty as a content creator was to investigate. Magnifying glass tilted left. Scam or not, I started digging into the comments section of the ads and various review sites. What I found was a mixed bag. Some people raved about it, while others shared horror stories of gooey disasters. Face screaming in fear. It left this question burning in my mind. Are we dealing with a miracle solution, or just an epic fail in disguise? Thinking face. Here's my conclusion, my fellow bargain hunters. The Silicone Reline Denture Set can be a game changer for some but a total letdown for others. It's all about how you use it and what expectations you set before diving in. So, would I recommend it? If you're in need of a temporary fix and want to feel fabulous after a denture disaster, give it a shot. Just remember to keep your expectations in check and don't go winning any taco eating contests too soon. Grinning face with smiling eyes fire. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're on the fence about getting the set, drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun reviews. Until next time, keep smiling, and see you in the next video. Partying face sparkles.